As Prime Minister Narendra Modi prepares to host Russian President Vladimir Putin, India-Russia relations are once again in the spotlight. And in moments like these, it's worth remembering a chapter of history where Moscow's support played a decisive role in shaping India's destiny: the liberation of Goa. It has been more than 60 years since India freed Goa from the Portuguese rule. But while the story of Operation Vijay is well known, what is often forgotten is the crucial role played by Russia, then the Soviet Union, in making this very liberation possible. After independence in 1947, India expected Portugal to peacefully hand over Goa, just as the French had done with their territories. But Portugal refused to leave, insisting its colonies were overseas provinces and that Goan Catholics would be unsafe under Indian rule, a claim completely disconnected from reality. Through the late 1940s and the 1950s, India tried every diplomatic option, but the Portuguese responded with arrests, firing on peaceful satyagrahis, and even attacking on Indian fishing boats. By 1961, tensions escalated with repeated border clashes, and India finally announced that its patience had run out. When Indian forces launched Operation Vijay on 18 December 1961, the military campaign was swift. Portuguese resistance collapsed within 36 hours. Goa, Daman and Diu were liberated. But the international backlash was immediate. The West, including the United States, the United Kingdom, France, Canada, Australia, and several European countries condemned India sharply. They accused New Delhi of abandoning non-violence and demanded that Indian troops withdraw. At the United Nations, Portugal pushed a resolution calling for India to restore the pre-17 December status quo. And this is where Russia stepped in. The Soviet Union blocked the resolution with a decisive veto, a veto that saved India from a humiliating forced withdrawal. The Soviet ambassador Valerian Zorin exposed the West's double standards, pointing out that these same countries stayed silent when Portugal brutally suppressed anti-colonial movements in Africa. Even more significant, Soviet leaders backed India publicly. Russian President Leonid Brezhnev, who was on a state visit to India at the time, declared full support for India's right to end Portuguese colonialism. Nikita Khrushchev sent Nehru a message praising India's lawful and justified actions and saying that the Russian people unanimously approved. Without the Soviet veto, the West would likely have succeeded in isolating India diplomatically. Instead, Goa remained free and India stood its ground. Today, as Modi and Putin reaffirm a long-standing partnership, it's worth remembering that Russia once stood firmly by India at a moment when few others did, shaping the outcome of Goa's liberation and altering the course of history. With Jyoti Shukla, Bureau Report, India Today Global.